Alright boys, got this striper at What's up YouTube? Today is October 21st, 2023. Current time is 10:29 a.m. and I'm at a slough connected to the Sacramento River. Basically, I'm still fishing the Sacramento River, just a smaller portion of it. I think this slough is called the Steamboat Slough. I'm at Hogback Island fishing access. I think last time I came here, it's been probably like 3 years. I don't think I really fished the main river. I think I fished more like the boat launch areas slash like the slough slide for like largemouth bass. So I don't know if I ever caught the striper here before, but you know, guess there's always a first for everything. But anyways, yeah, let's get into what I'm using for bait. So on my big pole, I'm using a whole anchovy, actually like a half anchovy and then whole anchovy with some spray, and, you know, wrapped it with the magic wrap. Then on my ultralight, I got a piece of nightcrawler with some scent. Oh yeah, both of them added scent, but yeah. But yeah boys, I'm excited. Let's get it. Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's go. I think I just had a bite, guys. The heck? I'm about to go live soon though. These fish better chill out, man. Getting me excited. I'm gonna have one, guys. I think I have a small one. Let's go. Oh, do I got one? No, I don't. Man. Definitely getting bites though, guys. It definitely seemed like a bite. Alright, y'all, I'm getting kind of hungry. I know I just started the video, but yeah, current time is 10:57 and I'm gonna eat lunch right now, so yeah, stay tuned. Oh shit. Oh, I got one, guys. I don't know what it is. I got one though. I can't move because my chopsticks and everything. I think I got one. Is this? Caught this fish at 11:06 a.m. I'm not gonna throw him out for bait. I don't feel like using him right now. Yeah, buddy. Thanks for the fight. Little pike minnow. See you later, dude. Let's go, boys. We caught a fish. I'm so happy we didn't get skunked today. Oh, I think I got one, guys. Oh, I think I popped off. No, I had one. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Since I'm getting bites like that, probably gonna take out my bigger pole and retie my what is it? My bait caster setup. I'm gonna probably throw that out there soon. Dang it. I felt that he was on and then he popped off. right, let's check this pole, man. There might be a catfish on, who knows. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set up my other pole. We're gonna take this pole out and set up my bait caster setup. I don't think I'm gonna throw lures today. Not really in the mood. Whoa, guys, that was a good bite. Trying to keep the line tight. Oh, I got him. Woo! Got him! I thought I lost this guy, man. Let's go! Alright, boys, caught this striper at 11:33. Let's go. Caught me a striper, man, on the anchovy. I think it was because I switched the pole. My hook was a lot smaller on this pole, and just the weight, you know. So let's go, guys. Let's get it, boys. Stay tuned, man. Yes, sir. I caught a striper here. All right, thanks for the fight, buddy. See you later. The spray might have helped too, y'all. I'm gonna spray it again. I'm gonna check my other pole. Hey guys, let me know in the comments if you guys ever been here to Hogback Island fishing access. It's a cool little place. If you want to go kayaking, I'd say it's a decent place if it's not too windy. The launch looks pretty nice. The launch area, you could fish the launch area and then I guess hit the main river after that. I might try here for one of my kayaking videos, but yeah, I guess the bite died down. Right now current time is 12:43, and yeah, I don't know where the fish went, guys. The water's still coming up. Maybe I caught them all right here. I highly doubt it, but the wind is definitely picking up just a little bit, so yeah. Well, guys, just stay tuned. Hopefully I catch some more fish for you guys. But yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, current time is 2:20. I'm just gonna end off the day, so I'll see you guys back at the car for the recap of the day. Stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Here's the recap of the day. Current time is 2:41. I think I fished for about 4 hours. Tried a Hogback Island today. One of you guys recommended me this place. Cool. Or you can say recommended. I've been here before, but I totally forgot about this place. But yeah, I caught 2 fish today. One on the nightcrawler, I think, and one on anchovy. 1 striper, 1 pike minnow. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, this is a cool little place, though. There's a little boat launch here, too, if you guys want to try kayaking or taking your boats out here. It's a nice place. Striper fishing, though, I don't think I would recommend to come here. Oh, especially, maybe just right now. Right now, this place isn't too good. Maybe maybe in like a month or two, this place might be good. But right now, I don't think I would recommend coming here. But all right. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video or learned something new, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.